To the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today is our day one of our Advent Christmas countdown, and the activity for tonight would be this 500-piece cat puzzle. So we're gonna unbox it.
Wow.
Okay, let's see. It's called the Festive Furballs 500-piece puzzle. Okay, let's try to open it. Okay.
Whoa, that's a lot.
A lot
This is
of
how
piece.
it's supposed to look.
So it's how it's supposed to look. You're gonna copy that, and we're gonna help each other put the puzzle together.
Oh,
We'll put all the parts inside so it doesn't get lost.
wow. I thought he had a plane.
We're gonna play. We're gonna
Dump it in
dump it here.
Yep. I'm by myself.
Okay, you do this corners first. Let's figure out the corners.
The corners are the easy part and
Yeah.
makes it much
Let's
easier.
just flip over everything, please. Don't lose any parts, guys. If you lose a part, then it's not gonna be fun.
Guys, flip over. I found an edge. The most that you get, don't steal anyone's.
This is gonna be exciting. It's gonna take until midnight.
It's fun.
You think we could do this as fast? Let's time ourselves. Okay, let's see what time is it. It's 9:03. Let's see what time we're gonna finish this. If we don't finish it tonight, it's okay. We'll just leave it at the table and we'll finish it tomorrow. Is that good?
Yeah, but what if someone...
We'll work. No, it's not gonna. Nobody's gonna bump it. We're gonna work for it. We're gonna work on it for 30 minutes. Is that good?
No.
So it's 9:03. We're gonna. Okay, so let's try our best.
Flip every piece over. This is gonna take hours.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. Let me show that.
Goodbye. Subscribe to our channel, please. And thanks for the Christmas stuff.